Do you ever feel like your abstract paintings are missing something? Like you're just throwing paint around, hoping for a breakthrough, but not quite mastering it and feeling frustrated. And I know that feeling. When I first started abstract painting, having painted watercolours for very many years, I had no idea what I was doing. You know, some days I loved what I created, and then other days I felt like it was just a total mess. But then I discovered something that changed everything. Because here's the thing, mastery in abstract painting is not about talent, luck, or years of experience. It's about following the right process and having the right mindset. And if you stick with me to the end, I will show you exactly how to get there faster than you think. Now, I love this quote. It goes, "Mastery is the best goal because the rich can't buy it. The impatient can't rush it. The privileged can't inherit it. And nobody can steal it. You can only earn it. Mastery is the ultimate status that we're looking for." It's a brilliant quote by Derek Sivers, and I love it because it perfectly describes why we pursue mastery in abstract painting. It's not about talent or luck or privilege. It's about showing up, engaging, and evolving. So today, let's bust 2 myths about mastery and then dive into 5 key principles that will help you become the master of your own process. So myth 1, you need passion first. Well, actually you don't. Passion doesn't show up first, it follows action. And many people think, oh, I'm not passionate enough, so I can't really commit. But here's the truth, passion is built through doing. Maybe you started painting because you felt like that urge. You just had a whisper of curiosity and you wanted to start. You don't need burning desire on one day. You just need to show up. The more you engage, the more excitement grows. So instead of waiting for the passion to come and hit you like a bolt of lightning, just start. Even if it's small, just, begin something. And my teacher used to say to me all those years ago, just start. It doesn't matter where you begin, just do something. Try something new, push the paint about, experiment and have fun. Myth 2, it takes 10,000 hours to master something. Well, you probably heard that old 10,000 hour rule, but here's the good news, it's not true. It isn't about counting hours, it's about how you practice. Dr. Anders Ericsson, the researcher behind this study, actually said it's the type of practice that matters most, not the total time spent. So let's go through the 5 principles of mastery in abstract painting and see how we can get this to work. So deliberate practice, number 1, beats mindless repetition. Have you heard that lovely saying that if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got? So we have to do something different. What's that going to be? The key here is focused, intentional practice. For example, create a small painting just using 2 colours and force yourself to explore contrasts. See how much you can do with that limiting 2 colours. Learn the underlying principles, not just the technique. Techniques are great, but understanding why they work is even better. So you could check, for example, contrast in black and white on your phone camera. Then refer back to the painting and see where the strengths are, the lights and the darks, see the colour differences and the values next to each other. You can start to gain knowledge of your lights and your darks in the process. Another idea is to take a piece that you've already done and analyse it. ask yourself, where is my focal point? You know, what's working and what feels off? How does the composition guide your eye? You begin to look and see how composition works. Then the 70-30 rule, create more than you consume. It's easy to get stuck in the cycle of watching, scrolling and gathering inspiration, especially, you know, here on YouTube. But the real magic happens when you actually are creating. You throw all that away and just do something yourself for 20 minutes. Create a piece, zero outside influence. Just you and the canvas, and see what happens. Embrace the discomfort of failure. Here's the secret. The ugly stages of painting are necessary mastery. It isn't about avoiding mistake. It's about knowing how to push through them, you know? So deliberately create an ugly painting on purpose, and then work into it something interesting. You've got nothing to lose. Mastery is a lifestyle. It's not a destination. There is no final level where you say, I'm done. I've mastered abstract painting. Instead, mastery is about lifelong learning, curiosity and evolution. Even after all these years that I've been painting, I'm still learning new things every day. So every month set a mini mastery goal, for example, one specific thing you want to get better at. How do you stay inspired though and keep practicing? Well, now one of the biggest challenges that artists face, especially in abstract painting, is staying consistent and keeping ideas flowing. I'm sure you understand that. And that's why I've created the Artist Connection group. It's a space designed to support your growth, which includes the Artist Diary. And this is a powerful tool that gives you a new theme and creative challenges every month. Great. Gives you fresh ideas, and there's weekly and daily prompts to push your skills and explore new directions, and you know, a space to reflect on and your progress, and so you can know how far you've come. And it also has 15 masterclasses covering everything from composition and colour mixing to personal expression and finding your unique artist voice. And they are yours to dip into at your leisure with over 200 video lessons, and you'll never be stuck for ideas again. We also have live monthly calls with me where we dive deep into talking about techniques and creativity and breakthroughs, and meet other like-minded people and make friends within the group. So you will never feel stuck or uninspired or unsure ever again. The Artist Diary will guide you, and the Artist Connection group will give you support and motivation you need to keep going on your journey. And the best part is you can try it for free for a whole month just to see if you like it. So just click the link in the description below to join, and we will see you in the group. So final thoughts on this road to mastery. Mastery isn't about some unreachable peak. It's about engaging fully in the journey. The fact that you're here watching this, thinking about your creative growth, that means that you're already on the right path, which is fantastic. So what's one thing that you're going to focus on next? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey and what you're up to. And if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe and like for more. It's totally free, and it really helps me reach others who want to master the art of abstract painting too. So I'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much. And if you're ready to deepen your practice and stay inspired, try the Artist Connection group for free. And the link is in the description below. And I can't wait to see you there and see what you're going to create. So thanks for watching and listening. I hope you found it helpful, and more coming up next week. And have a great time. Happy painting. Bye for now.